I'm that nigga from Trabass TV.
Boy, that can't start.
Babes.
What, girl?
Babes, why you look good enough? Why you look good? You see how the thing set, baby?
Where you go?
What do you mean where me I go? Me not tell you say me I go out.
You don't see me a cook? How are you having like this?
Babe, what wrong with you? You don't see my dress look nice, you don't like it? It look nice, the fuck, yo!
A pussy I go sell. Go upstairs.
Babe, you're gonna let you know, no bother with the blood clot foolishness that I have tonight.
Where did you get that?
Look good, and you now make me turn in with you tonight. It's not gonna work, you know.
You're not left out there in that. Go upstairs, go take it out.
Listen, me now go upstairs. You don't hear me? You need to, baby, take a look again. Take a look again. Grab a camera, take a picture. Hey. Listen.
Go upstairs, go take off that. Make sure your pussy I go sell.
Babes, I'm not selling no pussy, you know. But when you come back, everything, you can get the pussy, you know. But me not change.
Go upstairs.
Babe, I don't know if you're hearing me. I'm dressed to impress me and the girls, the empresses. We're gonna shut down the scene.
Go upstairs, go take off that. You know, come out there in that. You never have no panty.
I saw the dress for wear. I'm for wear panty. I want my body show. Eat it. Yo, I'm not in an argument with you.
Go upstairs.
Stop the fuckery. What am I say? May I leave? No. Alright? Alright.
Two more. I'm meeting by this, so. Oh yeah, I'm meeting by this. Are you ready? Oh yeah, they're ready.
Fuck you!
I'll take off the shoes and let me carry them go back up here.
Make me tell you this straight from my heart. Work hard for mine, straight from the start. Sit down and not grudge me, wanna be a part. The pussy them no real, them a fraud. Me I say trend pon them. Them a start and me gone left them. Me just a bill and a laugh with them. Can artist them. Me know say I crawfish them. Me I say trend pon them.